What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name 3 different organic compounds. All of them belong to amine group in organic chemistry, and these 3 compounds, all of them have 2 amino groups. So let's see how to name these organic compounds. We have carbons here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbons, and we have 2 amino group. So we're gonna say it's going to be 1 and 4 butan diamine or diamine. Next one, we have 1 and 2, and we call it 1 and 2 ethane diamine. That's how we name it. And next one, we're going to start numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're gonna have 2 and 2 dimethyl, 1 and 4 butane diamine. That's gonna be the name of this organic compound as well. So as you see here, that's how we name diamine groups in organic chemistry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.